welcome to Adrice's Kitchen 6-9 again on that lasagna recipe. This is the second half due to technical difficulties with my camera. I wasn't able to finish up the video, but now I can. And I want to also do a review on the oven-ready lasagna that only requires some milk and water. Every 5 sheets, you use a half a cup of milk or water. I chose milk. When you get finished preparing your lasagna, you pour a cup and a half of milk on top. Then you put aluminum foil on top and bake for 30 minutes. Now the last 10 minutes you take the aluminum foil off and it comes looking deliciously like that. We're having ours with some garlic bread. Doesn't that look yummy? And some Sneevies. Spicy hot honey dill pickles, y'all. Yes. And you know I got to have me a little. Love that 6-9 wine. It pairs so delicious with this lasagna. You can find all of our homemade products at sunmoonproducts.com, where you can order you some of our Sneevies barbecue spice that we use on everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Play with your recipes. Enjoy.